Hi, my name is Rob Schriner, Assistant General Manager of the Chiller Ice Rinks. Here today to talk to you a little bit about skate care and skate sharpening. First and foremost, as a hockey player or a skater, it's important to take care of your skates and look after your skates. One of the main questions we receive here at the Chillers is, when do I get my skates sharpened? You can easily tell that by knowing your skates. As a hockey player or skater, it's a good thing to visually inspect your skate every time you come to the ice rink. You want to inspect for your laces to make sure none of your laces are cut or torn. You want to inspect the boot itself. You want to inspect the rivets to make sure your rivets are in place. And most importantly, you want to inspect the blade itself. The blade itself has both an inside and an outside edge. You can visually inspect the blade by looking down the blade itself, both edges, and if you happen to see any little nicks or dings, that does affect your edges. Next, you want to just slowly rub your finger on the skate blade itself, so you'll be able to physically feel the nicks and dings on the blades. Do not do that fast. Sometimes these skates are obviously very sharp, but you do not want to cut yourself, so slowly do that. That will indicate whether you will need your skate sharpened. If you see the dings and if you feel the dings, that's probably a good time to get your skate sharpened. Kind of common rule of thumb is that maybe once every 2 weeks you get your skate sharpened as a hockey player, and if you're a recreational skater and just come out to noon skate or something like that, maybe once every 3 to 4 weeks. Once again, it all is depending on whether you've lost edges through walking on the rubber flooring or stepping on something, or as a hockey player stepping on a stick. That affects your edges. So keep an eye on that. It's important to keep care of your skates as well. Looking after them will allow the longevity of the skate and the skate blade itself. So after you are done skating, make sure you wipe the blade down with a skate rag. I like to take my insoles out so they dry properly and do not get rust on the rivets themselves. Skate guards are very important. That also prevents your skate blade from getting dinged up maybe in your hockey bag or in your trunk of your car. And then also when you get home, take your skate blade off, wipe it down again, and put your skate boot back on. Important thing is also to dry your skates out. When you get them home, make sure you put them out either in the sun or in a nice warm place so that they can dry out as well. Thank you very much. And the next segment we'll be talking about will be the skate sharpening itself.